Everyone, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, we are going to fix Microsoft Store if it's not opening, if your Microsoft is not working, if Microsoft Store is not responding. There are so many errors and the solution will be the same for all. Please make sure you watch the whole tutorial and please make sure that you do all the steps, all the process in a sequence wise. So let's go ahead and do that. So the very first step is to change the DNS, and I'll let you know how we can do that. Just do a right click in the start icon and then click on run. And here type ncpa.cpl. So for many of us, this will solve the issue because if there is an issue with the DNS, your Microsoft Store might not work. I'm sorry. So here we have this network connection and we have this Wi-Fi, VirtualBox and Ethernet. So select your connection. If you're using Ethernet, you can select Ethernet. And if you're using Wi-Fi, then obviously select the Wi-Fi. And then just do a right click and go to properties. Once you select that, a new window will appear and we need to go to this Internet Protocol version 4. Now here, select it and go to properties. And here we need to type 1.1.1.1, 1.0.0.1. This is a cloud DNS, and also it is a very fast DNS. This will also enhance and it will increase the performance of your browser speed. So when you will try to use your browsers, the resolution, the web pages will load faster. So any which way it is good to do that. So here once you have typed it, click on OK, and then we will move to the next step. You can try opening your Microsoft Store. If that works, well and good. Now the second step is a very common thing. Here you need to check the date and time. So currently you can see the time is there, and here we have this date as well. So please ensure your date and time is absolutely correct, and it should not be in the back date or the future date. It should be the current time. Once you're done, then we will move to the next step, and that is to do the reset of store. So we need to remove the cache from the Microsoft Store, and for that press Window and R, or simply do a right click in the start icon and then click on run. And here we need to type WS reset. This will remove the cache from your Microsoft Store. And I just have clicked on OK, and very soon you will see the Microsoft Store and it will start removing the cache from Microsoft Store. And it will also reopen it for you. Once this is done, we will move to the next step. Once this is done, the Microsoft Store will reopen for you and it should work. And if that doesn't, then we need to use the troubleshooter. And for that, we need to click on the search icon and type troubleshoot, and you will find troubleshoot settings. And here we need to go to this other troubleshooters and scroll down. And here you will find Windows Store apps, and you need to click on run to fix if there is an issue with the Windows Store, it will definitely fix that. So I can see it is detecting problems of Windows Store, and it might take few minutes, few seconds, and it will try to fix your Windows Store. Once this is done, see if your Microsoft Store working fine or not, and if still your Microsoft Store is not working, then we will do the command prompt fix. For that, you need to click on the search icon, type cmd, and run as administrator. Please make sure that you click only on run as administrator, and then click on yes. And here we need to type sfc /scan now. Now this is a Microsoft system file checker tool. It will scan the whole computer, and if there is an issue with the operating system, it will fix that. Any which way, it is very beneficial to do this scan, and once you have typed it, hit enter. This will begin the system scan, and it will fix if there is an issue with the computer operating system. This might take 2 to 3 minutes, and once this is done, restart the computer and then try using your Microsoft Store. And if that doesn't, then I'll let you know. I mean, that's the last step which we need to follow, is to update the Microsoft, I mean, the whole Windows. So here you need to type in the search icon updates, and you will find Windows Update Settings. And please make sure that you have installed all the latest quality updates. You can click on check for updates and it will start checking for updates. I mean the quality updates, bug fixes and all. So overall, Windows Update is a must and you should do that. It is a good practice and this might take some time. You might have to restart the computer a few times, but once your computer is up to date with the Windows updates, it should work and your computer performance will be also better. So once this is done, you need to restart and see if your Microsoft Store is working fine or not. Guys, please let me know in the comment section that which step has fixed your issue. And if you still have issues, you can let me know in the comment section. I'll try my best to fix your problem. And guys, please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Hit that like button, please, and leave a comment if you have done all these steps and fix your problem. Have a wonderful day. Take care, guys.